Alright guys, time for fire alarm test 17. Once again, this was a vintage fire alarm guy request with the 9220 and the old trusty shit sounding 9805. Yeah. Once again, if you want to leave any requests, pick 2 alarms down in the description below. Leave the comment, and I'll pick a random one that, yeah. So, unlike the last one, this test is going to be really loud. So, here we go. Well, there you have it. 92.5 sounds like crap. This horn was acting a little strange. Let me just make sure of something really quick. Tighten this. Tighten that. And just loosen these by a pinch. That sounds better. Yeah. So that's the video. This is a short one. Once again, I'm filming it at night. But yeah. This one probably sounds better because I haven't tested it since like November. I'll have to do some playing around with it and get it back up and running. It actually surprisingly sounds better when it's upside down. So it would probably sound better if I had it up on the ceiling. That kind of foreshadows something, doesn't it? Alright, well that's it for this one. See you guys later.